my channel and happy Vlogmas Day 16. I'm super excited for today's video to show you how I go about filming a brand campaign. So I figured today would be fun to bring you guys along, take you a little behind the scenes to show you the filming of a brand campaign and the steps that I take when I am filming a brand campaign. So today I'm filming something for Canyon Bakehouse. We're doing a little recipe for a baked brie with baked Canyon Bakehouse buns, like baked buttered buns to dip in a soft, gooey, warm brie. I'm so excited to make it, to eat it, and to tell you guys a little bit about how I go about filming these kinds of videos. So the first step when it comes to any brand campaign, you want to make sure that you have some kind of a storyboard for yourself as a creator. So making sure that you have kind of a shot list, that is something that I always make sure to create in my phone. So that is step number one, is make your shot list so that you know all the different angles, all the things that you're going to want to capture, and grab and set up your tools. That's step number two.
So you'll see behind me, I have
the ring light. I also have this little nifty tool that I got on Amazon that has been super helpful for content creation. And so I always prop this on the countertop out of the frame that my phone will kind of be filming this content.
So I make sure that I get it out of frame.
But I have it right here so that I basically have essentially like two functioning tripods for the entire shoot while I'm shooting. So you'll see right here is my tripod. This is gonna be where I have my phone filming me here, right? Like this is the frame. We've got a little snowman guy in here since we're doing like a little holiday situation. And so I've got this all set up, and then I have my tool here so that I can get some overhead shots. I know that I'm gonna wanna get an overhead shot of me scoring the brie. There are all these kinds of things that I know I'm gonna want a longer shot versus maybe an overhead shot. And so I think it's so important to kind of map out the different shots that you wanna get and have that easily available. I keep it in a notepad on my phone so that as you're working through your content, you've got it. The next thing that I will do is I will go so far as to kind of write up the caption that I know I'm going to pair with the video, because in the caption, what I do as a creator at least, is I always make sure to include the ingredients as well as
the instructions for the recipe that I'm sharing.
And so by typing all of that out, I then know as the creator, okay, these are the step-by-steps that I'm gonna be taking to make sure that I get all of this different footage that visually represents each step in the process of making the recipe. So I'm gonna finish typing that out for myself, getting that all finalized, and then we're gonna start to film. I prop up my tripod now and start to get everything ready. So that is the next step, is like get out
all your ingredients, get out everything that you're gonna need so that
it's just as simple for yourself as possible. So I know I'm gonna need my buns and butter. I'm gonna need this spread. I'm gonna need the brie, and I'm gonna need the thyme. Got all my things here, and I'm gonna need two different pans. And so I just grab all that kind of stuff and get it set out so that I'm ready to go. Wait, this is too close. I have everything set up, and so I am going to start filming the reel and showing you guys how to make this recipe. We've got our buns, we've got brie, butter, jam, and thyme, 2 baking dishes, and that is all you need. That last clip that I recorded was so freaking long. I just had the vlog going. But I'm about to take the buns and the cheese out of the oven in just a few minutes. I'm gonna take the buns out in like 2 minutes, and the cheese probably needs another 3 to 5, but recipe's coming along. We just have our final clips to film, and I double checked my shot list, double checked my instructions and all my step-by-steps to make sure I got everything recorded, which is great. And so what I always do in the last step is make sure that not only do I film everything like
coming out of the oven or whatever it is, like fresh, prepped.
I get a clip of myself like sitting it down, and then I'll always make sure to get like a good overhead shot of it. I'll make sure to get my thumbnails and all of that kind of stuff, and then I'll like dig in and eat. So I just have those final things left to do, and then I'm super excited because my mom is coming to visit for a little bit, so it's just gonna be a nice afternoon. We're gonna go out for dinner tonight to Hydraulic Hearth with Matt's family because they're also in town
For the holidays, so
yeah, it's just it's so nice. So I will show you guys the finished product.
Leftover. This is for you, gluten-free.
Is Grandma here? Yeah, what does
And
Grandma
this,
have?
losing the ribbon, is for your mom. And there are chocolates in there that are for your mom too. No, this is for your other grandma. Yeah, no, those things are for your other grandma. This that Trader Joe has, Jules.
Ooh, what is it?
Gluten-free turkey gravy. Can I have a little bite of this?
Absolutely, please.
And then I have something for Gouda.
Oh, I think that it could go back in the oven. Way in. Really good, right?
Just what I needed.
Yes.
A bite.
Okay. Baby.
Now let's find something for Gouda. Let's see what's over here, Goods.
Oh, what does Grandma have? Is that something for Gouda?
It says dog toy.
Is that something for Gouda?
Oh, look at his nose. All the way in the box. Can you get it? Get it, Good.
Get it, Goody?
Get it.
Get it, Goody?
Good boy. Here.
Oh,
Yeah.
Gouda, what is that? What is that, Gouda? What is it? Oh, get it, Goody? Is that a toy? Oh, Gouda, are you so excited? Is that a new toy? Oh, how lucky are you? Is that from Grandma?
Yeah, do you like that? Yeah.
So it is like 5:40 and we have just been hanging out. My mom got here around,
I honestly don't know what time.
but I was filming content. I was doing that content that you guys saw, and you saw us just like getting some time to hang out. She gave Gouda a present. He was very excited about it, and we are going to be, I think, going out for dinner soon with Matt's family. I think we're waiting to
Hear back from them to confirm.
But yeah, I'm super excited. Gonna take you guys along for dinner. We're gonna go to Hydraulic Hearth, which is one of mine and Matt's favorite places ever in the neighborhood. It's super close to us. It's really delicious.
And it happens to be where Matt and I had our first date, so.
We love it for a number of reasons. So I'm super excited to go there, and then gonna have a chill rest of the night, but I will bring you guys along to Hydraulic Hearth. Need to end the vlog.
That was so nice.
It was so nice.
It really was.
We just had such a nice dinner with Matt's mom, his Aunt Mary Beth, and his Uncle Dave, and my mom. And we just we talked, we ate so many different pizzas and this delicious cauliflower appetizer from Hydraulic Hearth. If you guys know me, you know I love Hydraulic Hearth. They always do such a good job. And yeah, it was...
She loves Hydraulic Hearth.
I do, it was
And
just
I
so
love
good.
You. I love you, you little...
Are you a baby? Do you want to come and say hi to the camera?
Come here, Miss Mr. Wags.
Go say hi.
Are you the star of the video? Oh no, someone just wants to love his grandma. Someone just wants to love his grandma.
Or steal her socks.
Or steal
One of
grandma's
the
socks.
socks.
Are you trying to steal socks?
I love that
Are
nose.
you trying to steal socks, Mr.
What do I
Wags?
need? I need your nose. I need that nose. You know I need that nose. I love that nose.
I'm gonna end the vlog off here. If you guys liked it, hit the thumbs up, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 17.